And that is Rasel's new location. In fact, his former location, he changed his location to level 1, so he's come down back to ground floor. And this is Rasel, who is at the moment servicing a customer's laptop. So inshallah, if you guys want to find Rasel, you can look for this place. It's very easy to find, just in front of this main door, and you'll see him here. This shop has this very prominent camera expert, and the address is lot G018. Lot G018. So this is the new location for Rasel's smartphone repair service. I will add his address later in this video. This is the 1st of Ramadan, and we have he started to return back to his place here on the 1st of June, inshallah. So hope you guys will be able to find Rasel when you come to service your smartphone or any other gadgets, inshallah. Rasel bhai, pusing sikit tengok. Inshallah. Okay, thank you. Tuan ada ucapan selamat berpuasa? Bagilah ucapan selamat
menyambut
bulan Ramadan. Ya.
Semoga segala amalan kita diterima olehnya.
Amin, insya-Allah. Dan dah berapa lama tuan jadi pelanggan Rasel?
Semenjak di tingkat atas.
Alhamdulillah. So setakat ni tuan punya pengalaman servis dengan dia okey?
Alhamdulillah.
Charges dia okey?
Charges dia pun reasonable. Kalau compare dengan lain, Rasel lagi murah lah.
Betul, sebab saya pun pernah repair dengan Rasel, sebab itu yang saya tolong war-warkan. InsyaAllah. So kita harap semoga Ramadan ini membawa berkat kepada semua orang, insyaAllah. Terima kasih tuan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.